This is my latest bag that I made. It's a canvas bag with leather details. The bag is beeswaxed by myself, so all with natural products, which makes it water resistant and very strong. The straps goes all the way around the bag. It is fastened with copper rivets in the bottom, goes all the way through. So when you carry the bag, you would carry it with these straps, and not just won't be any strain on the bag itself, which means that you can carry quite heavy load without damaging the bag. The bag has two very rigid but soft handles, which makes it very comfortable to carry. Also attached with copper rivets, which makes it very, very strong. The bag has a nice inner pattern, inner lining, with two separate pockets, which has room for a 13-inch computer or, for example, an iPad, which easily slips into the pocket. The bag has also a zipper in top, and what else? I like this bag very much. I think it's strong, not too big, easy to carry bag. I hope you like it.